Hello everyone, my name is Adriana and today I'm going to tell you 5 tips and tricks that can put you on the right path to perfect skin. And I'll also introduce you to a perfect supplement that can help you in your skincare routine. The first tip is to get enough sleep. Stress is one of the factors that can affect the skin. And when you don't take a break, the results can be disastrous. So make sure you get enough sleep, at least 8 hours every night. During a sleep cycle, the body recovers from daily stress, and when you interrupt these hours of sleep, the skin can age prematurely. On the other hand, I am sure you have noticed how after a good night's sleep you wake up with fresh skin. So make sure you get at least 8 hours of rest every night. The second tip is hydrate your skin from the inside out. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day can really make a difference. Or, if you prefer something sweeter, I recommend about 5 servings of fresh fruits or vegetables. The third tip is, don't forget the sunscreen. It is widely known and accepted that prolonged exposure to the sun can wreak havoc on the skin. So if you really need to sunbathe, I recommend that you apply a good sunscreen to your skin. Try to find something with an SPF of 30 or higher so that you don't have to apply it as often during the day. The fourth tip is, keep your phone clean. Yes, you read that right. Your phone is the perfect breeding ground for tons of bacteria. When coming in contact with your face, these bacteria can cause nasty rashes. So try to always have a small bottle of disinfectant handy. Keeping your phone clean can also improve the condition of your skin. And the fifth tip is the most important. Watch the shower temperature. Yes, that's right. It is very tempting to stay in the shower for dozens of minutes at a time. There is nothing as soothing and refreshing as having that jet of hot water on your face. In reality, all you need is 5 to 10 minutes of a warm shower. Try to avoid using very hot water on your skin, as this can cause excessive dryness and even rashes. I really believe that these 5 easy tricks can help you improve your skin and even your general well-being. So get to know Derma Prime Plus, a new supplement that will help you in your skincare routine. The product is designed to regenerate your cells with the help of natural ingredients. Derma Prime Plus contains only ingredients of plant origin to prevent side effects. These ingredients include milk thistle, one of the best herbs for protecting your liver. It contains silymarin, a compound that protects the liver from toxic chemicals and increases its ability to metabolize alcohol. Chanca piedra, vitamin C. The vitamin C in citrus fruits has been shown to help prevent sunburns and reduce inflammation. It also helps boost collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that protects against free radicals, which are harmful compounds that damage cells and DNA. Antioxidants neutralize these damaging substances before they cause any harm. Chicory root. Chicory root is also an excellent remedy for dry, flaky, or oily skin. It works well on all types of skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea. Yarrow flower. Camisoline is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that reduces swelling and redness. It also stimulates blood flow to the area, helping with healing. And zinc oxide. Zinc is very important for maintaining healthy skin. It helps keep your skin strong and flexible. It also helps repair damaged tissue and promote new cell growth, among many others. All these ingredients have been scientifically proven to improve the health of your skin. All are rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so they can prevent acne and eczema from taking over your skin. Derma Prime Plus reduces inflammation and makes you feel fresh and rejuvenated. It also supports brain and liver function. You should know that Derma Prime Plus has no side effects. Since the product is made from natural and plant extracts, it does not induce any side effects in general. Still, pregnant women or customers with medical conditions should visit a doctor before taking Derma Prime Plus daily. The supplement is able to provide essential nutrients for your body and skin so that you can improve your health. It has been formulated to help you look younger and better. If you want to get rid of facial lines, aging problems, and wrinkles, you can easily rely on Derma Prime Plus. If you do not see any dramatic improvement or the expected results, or if you are not satisfied for any reason, a full refund will be issued. This means you have 2 full months to see if Derma Prime Plus is the right choice for you. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a safe and secure one-time payment. Before you finish, be very careful with the website you will buy the product from. So to help you out, I will leave the official website link in the description link so there are no mistakes in your purchase. That was the video. Thank you for watching.